Here is how to host a game in Among Us. First, you need to go ahead and download Among Us on your mobile or console, whichever you're using. Then launch the application and log into your specific account. After that, on the main screen, select Play from the left-hand side of the screen. Now select Online and then select Create Game option. And under Game Settings, choose between Classic or Hide and Seek mode. Then after select Create Game, you can also go ahead and select Map, Capacity, Tag, and Region. Then select Create Game option. And here you need to confirm your choice. Press Confirm and also review the settings before that. Then after share the room code. Copy the room code displayed on the screen that is in the top. Select copy icon and this will be copied in your clipboard. And then after you can go ahead and share it among your friends or anyone that you want to. And the game is privately by default, meaning only players with the code can join. If you want anyone online to join, set the game to public. In the privacy section, if it's set to private, select it and it will be instantly changed to public. And you can adjust game settings like number of imposters, cooldown times, and imposter vision to your liking. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.